Hi to everyone. Now I am going to take lecture notes on unit number 1, that is wireless local area network. So before going to see the subtopics of this unit 1, first of all we must know what are the objectives of unit 1. Let us discuss what is subjective. Here I am going to provide the basics of wireless network, protocol stack and its application. So here I am going to notify the protocol stack, application and basic local area connection that to be provided. So these are the objectives of unit number 1. So under this we are going to discuss about introduction about WLAN technologies, that is wireless local area technologies. What are all the technologies are present and what are all the architectures are present inside the local area network. In this architecture there are two defined structure will be defined. One system architecture and second thing is a protocol architecture. Next we are move into hyperlan, that is hyper local area network. Then various Bluetooth and external devices have been studied in this concept. So let us discuss the first topic. Why wireless? What are the benefit of wireless? First one, it provides the mobility, that is ability to communicate anywhere. That is the meaning of mobility, the movement of nodes. Then it has a easier configuration. So configuration, it's very easy to configure. How it is easy to configure? Because in wireless there is no need of the wired component will be present. There no need of cables or anything will be promoted in this concept. So that is the benefit, easier configuration. Then it is easy to maintain. The security level, it is very much, for example our mobile phone we are using the authentication purpose in order to protect our data. So it is easier to maintain. So these are the benefits of wireless. Then what is the difficulties? Difficulty means it mainly it has a noisy channel. So it has a noisy channel, that is major drawback. Then it has a limited bandwidth. Then equipment cost is high when compared to wired networks. So these are why we are going for a wireless. So our subject name is wireless network. So for that we are studying about why we need to go for a wireless. Next one. Next, what are the standards present in the wireless local area network? Here I am going to discuss about IEEE 802.11 standard, that is International Electrical Engineering Standard. Here I am going to study about what are all the classification of the standard, why we are going for the standard. So in this wireless local area network, it has a coverage area. So each networking device has maintained its coverage area. Here the coverage area is up to 100 meter. Then its data rate varies from 700 kbps to 55 megabit per second. This is our very important specification when compared to a local area network. First of all, what is local area network? I already discussed. It covers only a small location or small areas. That is a local area network. Then operating frequencies, it generally works in 2.4 GHz ISM band frequency. That is industrial, scientific, medical band. So these are all the operating frequency of the wireless local area network. Then comes to the classification, we have the two types. First one is infrastructure network and second thing is a ad hoc network. So what is infrastructure? So infrastructure, there is an access point will be available. So without the need of, so here access point is used to perform some function. That is the infrastructure network. Ad hoc network means there is no need of access point. So there is an absence. So this is a major difference between the two components. So here I am going to discuss about, once again repeating, infrastructure mode and ad hoc mode. In infrastructure there is an access point will be always available. So use of access point, everything will be proceeded for connectivity, the link or advice. In ad hoc network there is no need of access point will be, nothing will be present. So this is the explanation of these two types. Next, we are going to discuss about what are all the available stations present in the infrastructure. Here I am going to discuss about what is a station. A station is nothing but how the nodes movement, it is denoted by the station. Okay, next here we are going to discuss about the two basic structure of the station. One is basic service set and second thing is an extended service set. So what is basic service set? Here it defines the some number of stations that executing the same MAC protocol. First of all, we must know what is MAC. Media access control. So what is its purpose? Its purpose is it able to segmenting the frame formats. That is a main purpose of MAC protocol. Here I am using the some number of stations that executing the same amount of MAC protocol to share the wireless medium. That is the concept of basic service set. Here it may be defined connected or isolated. So here it is separated or connected through a distribution system. That is very important. Next, in BSS, the client station, that is very important. Once again repeating, the client station and a server station. Here in basic service set, the client station that do not communicate directly with one another. So they can't able to communicate. So this is known as the infrastructure mode. Next, if one base station it wants to communicate with the other in the same set, then it able to transfer data to the destination station. So it's very important. If suppose for example one station of packets wants to send to another, it able to reach the destination node using the same MAC frames. So that is they defined in this particular structure. Next, here we are going to discuss about what is extended service set. In extended service set, there are two more multiple basic service set will be formed. So basic service set is generally it consists of same protocol, whereas extended service set consists of multiple BSS form a ESS by through a distribution system. Here we are going to connect via wired LAN or wireless. Here the wired LAN network is connected. So MS is present inside the basic service set. So what is MS? It is nothing but a mobile station. So it is a moving station that is present inside the basic service set. So stationary station it consists of different basic service set consists of stationary station. So this is a main example when come to the architecture. First one we are completed, that is system architecture. So in this system architecture there are two types. First one is a basic service set and second is a extended service set. So this is for next class or next lecture video we are going to present about the protocol architecture. Thank you.